This is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and in today's video I'll show how you can enable the safe mode on this device. To start, you will need to launch the power off menu by simultaneously pressing and holding the volume down and power keys for, I would say, about 1 to 2 seconds at most. Now tap and hold at the power off option, then tap at the safe mode button here, and now simply wait for your system to be rebooted into the safe mode. So as you can see, the safe mode has been enabled successfully. If you would like to remove it or exit it and get yourself back to your, normal operating system, all that you gotta do is restart your phone by once again launching the power off menu and now tap at the restart option. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.